To connect your Chime card with Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Navigate to the Banking tab, which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the Banking tab and then select Add Bank. You will be prompted to search for your bank. So type in Chime and select it from the list of available options. You will be redirected to a page where you can link your Chime account using your Chime login credentials. Enter your Chime username and password, and then authorize Cash App to access your account. Once you have successfully linked your Chime account, you will be able to add your Chime card to Cash App. To do this, go back to the Banking tab and select Add Card. Enter your Chime card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify that the information is correct and then confirm that you want to add the card. After you have added your Chime card, you can use it to send and receive money through Cash App. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of both Chime and Cash App to understand any applicable fees or limitations. It is also important to note that you must have a valid Chime account and be at least 18 years old to connect your Chime card with Cash App. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Chime card with Cash App and start using it for your financial transactions. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your identity and financial assets. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, you can contact Chime or Cash App customer support for assistance. By linking your Chime card with Cash App, you can enjoy the convenience of mobile banking and take advantage of the various features and benefits offered by both services.